So you're a realtor and you want to make more money. Well, there's only two ways to do that. You either need more clients or you need bigger, better listings. And that's easier said than done, right? I've been working with realtors exactly like you for the past 6 years. People just starting out doing their first listing and top producers doing over 100 listings a year. And there's a couple of things I've learned in the process. If you want to win more quality listings, you need to have a track record of excellent marketing. That means professional photos, video that showcases the home perfectly, and a social media strategy that gets the right message in front of the right people at the right time. Now, photos are a no-brainer, but the unique way that we do video at ClickSplashWow means it's doing two jobs for the price of one. Yes, it's marketing the house, but the bonus is it's marketing you, the realtor, and your unique brand. When people are seeing you and your expert opinion on their newsfeed every week, it builds confidence in you. It starts a relationship. And so when it comes time to buy or sell, who are they going to call? Just a name they found on a bus bench, or someone they already know, like, and trust? If you aren't already doing video and social media marketing, the bottom line is you're being left behind. In the last 3 years, 3 of my clients have been voted in the top 10 video influencers in the entire North American market. And last year, we helped one of them grab the #1 spot for listing videos. There are loads of people who offer photo and video services in Winnipeg, but none of them are achieving results like that. So if you're serious about improving your marketing and taking your real estate game to the next level, use the contact form below. Get in touch. I'd love to have a coffee and let's talk about it and see if we're a good fit.